Hi friends, today I'm gonna build Legos. Legos are a really fun thing and we can play it anytime because they can take apart and some are so tight so we can use this tool anytime for taking tight parts away. This tool is so helpful. And I sorted all these Legos I need for a Lego helicopter all color-wise. That means to put Legos in their color. First, I started from the black ones, and then the light gray ones, and then the dark gray ones, and then the orange ones, and then the dark blue ones, and the light blues, and the white teams. And I'm gonna start my Lego helicopter. You can use them even at break time. Look at these long ones. Finish the leg. This helicopter is going to be good. Good looking at me. Look at these small windows. My favorite color, black. I also have another favorite color called red. Looks a little good, isn't it? Yep, I love making it good. Look at this long. Look at this. So I love flying helicopters. And now the helicopter is all done. Now let's move on to the pad. I love Lego channels. I like Lego channels and Lego movies. I watch a lot of them. Like, I'm the fan of Legos. And we're all done. Looks good, isn't it? Sure is. Bye, friends.